Making money online fast is a dream for many of us, and it's easy to see why. The idea of earning a decent income from the comfort of our own homes without the daily grind of a 9 to 5 job is incredibly appealing. We've all been there, searching for that one opportunity that could shift our financial situation in a big way. But let's be honest, it's not always a walk in the park. One of the biggest myths out there is that making money online is some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of people dive in with sky-high expectations only to end up feeling let down. The reality, there are legit ways to earn money online quickly, but they still take effort, patience, and a little bit of strategy, and yeah, sometimes even luck. Another hurdle is just the sheer amount of noise out there. So much information, so many conflicting opinions. It can be overwhelming to figure out what's actually real. And on top of that, we've got to be mindful of scams. With so many opportunities that sound amazing, it's easy to fall for something that's just too good to be true. Losing money, or worse, your personal data can be devastating. So how do we navigate this? How do we actually make money online fast in a smart and safe way? Well, freelancing is one route. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr let us connect with people looking for help on projects. The good part? We get to choose what we work on and who we work with. And the income potential is real. The downside, it's competitive, and finding gigs takes time. Affiliate marketing is another option. We can promote products and earn a commission on sales. It's low risk and can be super rewarding, but building an audience or a platform doesn't happen overnight. Then there are online surveys. Maybe not life-changing money, but a quick and easy way to make a few bucks here and there. Take Sarah, for example. She started with affiliate marketing, built a simple website, made helpful content, and focused on products for a niche community. A few months in, she was earning real income. Her success came from being specific, helpful, and consistent. That kind of strategic approach can make all the difference. And here's the thing, yes, we need to save money, especially in uncertain times. But to really move forward, we also need to look at new ways we can create income. Building new streams of money is just as important as cutting expenses. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, or launching our own side hustle, exploring these opportunities could make a big impact on our collective financial well-being. So, to wrap up, making money online fast isn't impossible, but it takes a mix of patience, effort, and smart choices. We're all in this together, and by sharing what works and what doesn't, we can help each other succeed. Have you tried making money online? Share your stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out our other video on passive income streams for more ideas on growing your online income.